Namar kejumbam da biang bha airport kum ka umroh airport berka baljek airport kasarkar Jylla Meghalaya daga jinya trelang ru berka civil aviation jaga sarkar pedeng kala persang mat penheno da ki plane ki belak ban Hiar haki jaga kum ka pung yam ya ka bala persang ban pentrikam mata kasngi da ki Liengsuiñ ki baret ki belak ban Hiar haki benta ki belang maka nila persang mata kasngi pung yam haka bala dan langru ki nomi khmat jaga sarkar Jylla bat kamjuru ki nomi khmat daga civil aviation jaga sarkar pedeng Wini ki officer jaga sarkar pedeng oleh tu baudap daga jing sngokmen malak man Hiar ki Liengsuiñ ki baret aki jaga namar baga Jylla Meghalaya kanang syamshitam maka jing pentrikam ki airport ki bahe oleh tu uru baga ki Liengsuiñ ki baret na pentrikam daga jetrelang baga company na Canada.
Dear friend, young and dynamic Chief Minister Conrad Sangmaji. With his support, we were able to do a demo presentation here, and we just had a wonderful trip. We went to the Shillong airport and also saw the Shillong city from the plane itself. And this gives us the potential of seaplane operations, especially in the northeast, where still connectivity is a big challenge. And if you look at the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken the connectivity of Northeast with topmost priority. Let it be road connectivity, rail connectivity or air connectivity. He wants the Northeast to be integrated with the mainland with the best connectivity that is possible. And from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, we want to ensure that his vision becomes a reality. And we have expanded the airport network also in the Northeast. And today, to take it much more further, to reach to the more remotest areas, we are utilizing the seaplane network. And earlier also seaplanes were launched in the country. But we saw that there are certain challenges that have emerged. So we spoke with the stakeholders, we have taken their suggestions, and now we have liberalized the regulation a little bit so that the industry can flourish, the seaplane operations can come up with the full potential. And today in the Umami Lake, and it's a wonderful, beautiful landscape that we have here. And imagine the kind of boost the seaplane operations can give, not just for the connectivity, but also the tourism in the Meghalaya sector. So that is what we want to tap into. And now with this kind of seaplane, this has been brought by de Havilland from Canada. And this is a plane which can land in the water, which can land in the sea, which can land in regular airports also. It's an amphibian aircraft. So any place that you want, you can land, you can take the air connectivity to that region. So we see that there is a big potential for the seaplane operations. We will partner with the state government of Meghalaya and we will see which all locations are the possible locations. And our Chief Minister has also guided us to look at Tura location where it is his dream to give a connectivity, air connectivity to that region, and I see that possibility, the dream becoming a reality with the seaplane operations. And also he wants the expansion of Shillong Airport. We went to the Shillong Airport, we have reviewed the situation there, and definitely within 1.5 years time, we want to see that the operations are expanded and big aircrafts can also land there and boost the connectivity of the state of Meghalaya. Our intention from the Ministry of Civil Aviation is Hawai Chappal se Hawai Jahaj ka safar. Each and every person of this country should aspire to travel by air. We want to bring in affordable air travel into the country and connect each and every nook and corner of the country with air travel. Wherever airports, there is a possibility we are building more airports. In the last 10 years, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we have expanded the airport network from 74 to 157. And wherever there is no possibility for doing an airport, we are going to use the water bodies, we are going to use rivers, we are going to use the coastline, the seas of the country so that we can connect them to through the seaplanes also.